Guys, please stop this.
तो ये आसान है, मैं क्या करूँ?
ठीक. Hey guys. This is so weird.
Hey guys,
welcome back to our channel.
तो आज हम जिस टॉपिक पर बात करने वाले हैं वो है अरावली हिल्स.
Yes, so first we would like to give you some information about Aravali Hills. So let's go.
Yes. The Aravali Hills are one of the oldest mountain ranges on earth, almost 2 billion years old. They stretch across Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi NCR, Gujarat, and they may not look very tall, but they are very important for our India. They act like a nature wall between the Thar Desert and the rest of the India.
Aravalis are not just hills, they are our life and our support system. Without Aravalis, it can cause desertification towards the eastwards. So it's very important for our environment. It plays a very important role in our environment.
Yes.
Aravali Hills helps to recharge the underground water. So many cities like Gurugram, Delhi are dependent on it.
And when it comes to biodiversity, leopards, birds, reptiles, and hundreds of plant species survive because of this ecosystem. For years, Aravali Hills have faced legal and illegal minings. Now, government has accepted a new technical definition in which they say that only those landforms which rise more than 100 meters above nearby areas are counted as Aravali Hills. You know what? When mining enters a hill area like Aravali, it does not just remove stone, it does remove soil, forest, water pathways, and the most importantly, stability. According to Forest Survey of India data, only 8.7% of Aravali Hills meet this criteria. That means 90% could lose legal protection. That is the most important thing that we should really think about.
Since Aravali covers most of the northwestern part of India, like Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Delhi NCR, Rajasthan will face faster desert expansion and groundwater level will fall even faster. In Delhi NCR and Gurugram already struggles with water shortage. Once destroyed, Aravali cannot be rebuilt again. They took 2 billion years to form.
You know what? Every city choking today is connected with environmental destruction somewhere else. And Aravali Hills are one of the biggest silent protectors we have left.
The question is not whether Aravali is important.
The question is, do we realize their value before it's too late?
Aravalis plays very important role in ecosystem and in nature. और एक बात हमेशा एक चीज है कि जो भी हम नेचर को देते हैं, it returns back in the same way. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So very importantly, patriotism का मतलब सिर्फ गाने को याद करना या फिर सिंग करना नहीं होता है 15 अगस्त या 26 जनवरी को. It's like about how you can serve your nation, the way you protect your nature. It's like how you contribute towards the socialism, to this nature, to this world, universe.
Yes, national duty does not end just at borders. It continues protecting our nature, wildlife and our future. So guys,
That's all for today.
yeah,
Keep spreading love.
to our contents.
होप आपको ये वीडियो समझ में आई होगी हमने क्यों बनाई, और कमेंट करके जाएं, शेयर करके जाएं और सब्सक्राइब करे बिना मत जाना.
Okay, bye.